Sayed here. Welcome back to the continuation of the previous video. In the previous video, we stopped somewhere here. We stopped somewhere here. I've shown you how to create different types of parameters. Sorry, I said parameters. Different types of that's staircase within Revit. Okay, so in today's class, we're going to see roofs. How to create roofs in Revit. Okay, let's start. At our architectural tab, let's for here you will find our roof. So from here, if you click on it, okay, it will take you straight to sketching to sketch out the roof. All right. So first of all, we have check the base level. From here, it's started at level 2, which we don't want it to be on level 2. Our roof is going to sit on level 3. Level 1 is that of the ground floor, level 2 is the second floor, and level 3 is the one which is the roof. Okay, so we prefer it to be on our level 3. Here you can still use either rectangle, circle, any of it, either pick line, pick wall. I prefer to go with line. Okay, so put on 500 as an offset. Just pick the points, pick the points. This is too short. But let me just pick the point. And we are done. That's it. The roof will be created automatically. They know because sometimes, not sometimes, all the times the interior walls join to the roof. So I don't like it. I prefer to do it individually. Say no. So we have our roof this way. Okay, you can see it's very simple and straightforward. It will just generate your roof direct, nothing hard there. So what do we do? Let me show you some few things on the roof. So you can see if you want this place to be gabled and this place to be gabled, all you have to do is double tap on it or click on no, click on the roof and now hit on edit parameter. Click on this. So this angle on every line is showing you this line has an angular what? It has an angular value, an angular parameter. So if you want to make it a gable, you have to remove the angle. So from here, if you click on line, now uncheck the box that says define slope. Likewise, the other one, uncheck the box that says define slope and now finish it up. You're done. Say no. Okay. Most of the time, if you say yes, it will automatically join all the interior walls to the roof, including the exterior walls, which we don't want. We prefer the exterior wall to be joined to the roof and the interior walls to be the way they are. Okay, so because when you're creating rafter, the walls doesn't go up, the walls stay there, and then you put on the pole lines and all the roof members. Okay, so that's for another class itself. Now you can see we have something like this. So if you want to join it, just click on the walls you would like to join, click on them, click on here, attach top base, and now click. So it's done. You're finished. You have the wall click, you have your wall joined to the roof. Okay, so we have something like this. We have something like this. That's for hip roof. And now if you would like to have if you would like to have sorry okay if you would like to have okay, yeah, it's recording. Sorry, I checked. I don't really know if it's recording. Okay, sorry. If you like to have what was I saying? Okay, if you like to have an opening from here, from your architectural tab, you can see opening by face, all right, opening by shaft, all right, wall opening, that's vertical opening, and this is dom dom opening. So this is how to create your dom. Okay, so what do we do? Let's try to create the dom here. Let's try and create a dom here. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you should be okay. Now let's create a dom here. Go to your roof. Oh, sorry. Mm, if I say I'm going to show you how to create the dom, it's going to take the entire time to do that. No, it's not going to take much of time, but I would like to show you some few other things before I show you that. This is by creating by footprint. So if you click on this arrow, you can see here it's showing you have roof by footprints. So this is the first method we did. All right, so we can now delete. Let's do the second method and see how it looks. Roof by extrusion. The roof by extrusion will ask you which of the plane do you want to select plane. Okay, if you click on select plane, it's asking you which plane in the sense that the face to which you selected is the face you can draw. It's should I say perpendicular? No, is parallel. The line will be parallel to the face you selected. Everything you draw will be parallel to the face you selected. So even if let's say we have it on 3D and I selected this, so actually no, I don't want an offset. So actually, which means my lines will be going this way. So if, for instance, look at it this way, you can see it's aligned to that face, is aligned to the face. Even if I drag it here, even if I drag it here, it's still aligned to the face. All right, so let me show you what I mean. So if you check it, you can see it's still aligned to the face. It's not that is, you can see it's aligned to that face, this face I selected. So that's what it means by what's the name, um roof by extrusion. Okay, so you can use this. For instance, let's go to our south elevation and now click on it. Okay, we want like an angular, want something like this. All right, we want something like this, and now click on escape, finish. So you have your roof. That's roof by extrusion. Go to your site plan, so it will go all the way to the end of the building. You can decide to drag it a bit or offset, and drag the front a bit too for the offset. Let's see it in our 3D. Okay, we have something like this for the design. Right, we have something like this. So what do we do? Okay, now I can show you how to create that of the dome on your roof. This is east elevation. Click. So the reason why I did not show you the other time was because I did not show you how, I didn't show you the way to do that was to create roof by extrusion. But let me just continue. So I can't really show you how to create a dome. So go to elevation you wish the dome to be to to be drawn at. So use the roof by extrusion. Yes, select plane. So you can just select any plane that is looking at this position. And now you want, where should I put this thing? Let's put it somewhere here. Okay, let's put it somewhere here. All right. I you can draw it the way you want, but I don't really like this way. I prefer to just create line and now draw the line. I know it's perfectly correct. And this way I will shift and now finish. Okay. So go to your level 2, go to your site and now drag this outwards and now drag this here. 3D, check your 3D. So we have something like this. Okay, we have something like this. but you can say, you will say, why is it not connected to the roof? Now all you have to do is, there is this, let's say, join and non-join roofs. Select, select this, and select this. Now you see my roof has connect to the other. Okay, so let's reduce this. Sorry. One other thing is, always make sure that you leave a very slight gap between the roof and the off. If you align it, it's not going to work. It always gives me an error. I don't know why. So you have something like this. Okay, the reason is because, look, here, here, here marks the last portion of join. So how do I even say it? The roof joins to this from here all the way to the top. So as soon as you shift this and removes it goes into the roof, it shows you that this roof is not what do you call it, you're going into the joined portion of the roof, which is going to give you an error. So how do we create the dome? Go to the architectural tab, click on dome. All right, if you click on dome, select the dome you have. Okay, and now if you select the dome you have, now click on the lines, click on the faces. Okay, and mm, mm, all right, so I'm just trying to test it out. I'm not really sure. Okay, now finish. Roof is no, control Z. Z. Mm, 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 mm. I forgot. This is the way to do it. Select on the roof you would like to use, and now click on this. Okay, so you can see it created this, and now click on this. Now trim. Sorry, I always forgot about this dome most of the time because I don't design with dome. So now you see it's cut. We have the cutout. Okay, this is how to do the dome on your roof. I hope you guys understand what I did here. It's very simple and straightforward. It's nothing much. Okay, so we have a dump. Sorry, we have a dump here. Let me redo it so that you can see and understand. So Control Z Z Z Z Z Z. What you're going to do is, most of the time I always make the mistake of selecting this roof. So if you click on the dormer, sorry, now click on the roof to which you would like to cut it, which is this. Select it. Okay, and now it will ask you select the faces. All you have to do, select this roof. Come and select this face. So you can see this line exceeded our limit. Now select and trim it. Now finish. You have your cutout. So I hope you guys understand what it means by dumb. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you, so opening by face is same thing as dumb, not really same thing, but almost the same. All you have to do is select the face and now create the opening you want and finish. You will have a cutout on your roof. Okay, so it's just sorry, some simple things. Opening by shaft, opening, wall opening, wall opening, select the wall. Oopsie, sorry. Select the opening. So you have something like this. So this is wall opening. Okay. So these are all the openings we have. That's shaft, vertical. The difference between vertical and by face is if you select this, okay, now you select this. Let me show you the difference. Sorry. Sorry. The difference is this is oopsie cancel. It's going all the way to other places. We do not want we don't want you to interfere with another person. Okay. Good. So you can see the difference between this and this is perpendicularly cutting through the roof, if I make sense. Yeah, perpendicularly at 90 degrees. It's cutting the roof at 90, while this is just creating an opening at an angle to which the face is looking at. Yes. This is at angle 30. The roof is at angle, I don't know if it is at angle 30, but this cutout is at the face, the angle the face is, that's the cutout angle, but this is at 90 degrees, so the cutout is straight forward 90 degrees. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. uh what other thing is, what do we do, what do we do next? The other thing is roof. Let's see. So here, this is a different course entirely, roof by faces. So it's going to be on massing. You can actually follow the footprint of massing without having some issues, some tough time. So this is all massing. Okay, great. This, which is roof soffit. No, what did I even say? No, it's supposed to be in level 3. I said level. Okay, a roof soffit. Now select, go to level 2. Select line. Okay, and 3 should be okay. Select line. The reason why I'm selecting 3. Now let's use this and this place. So that's the roof soffit. 3D. You can see we created something like this as the roof soffit. Oopsie. That was easy. Finish. This. So definitely the roof of it has an inset. What shall I say? Yeah, let me just call it an inset. Um, an inset in the sense that it's not going to be straight from here. You're going to have this inset like this. Okay. So if you finish, so it will give, it will cut out the entire part inside and leave just the outside, which is this place. Okay, so and the other thing is roof fascia. So roof fascia, you select on any place, it will create a roof fascia for you. So let me come closer so you can see this is your roof fascia. So why this is, I did not adjust the thickness of my roof, so that's why it's about this thick, but we're going to adjust it. Okay, nice. What else do we have at the roof gutter? Roof gutter. So you can see this is the roof gutter. Okay, so as soon as water comes in, it falls on the gutter, and you'll most of the time, I think all of the time, mechanical engineers put the gutters connected, and then bring it down so that when it's raining you can have very simple flow of water from the roof down to the ground. Okay, I think we're going to stop here. I said we're going to try cutting, but the time, I think the time is even going far. Okay, so let's stop here. I hope you guys understand some few basic things on the roof. I want, if you have any question, you can either comment, or yeah, just comment. Okay, comment on the comment section and I will definitely answer your question. All right, thank you very much.